لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك.
So today I'm showing you my project of Hajj. There are 5 pillars of Islam and Hajj is the most important pillar in Islam. In the month of Hajj, and if they don't have money, they are poor, so it's okay. The 7 most important steps of Hajj. I will tell you the things I made. First I made the Kaaba. It looks like a real Kaaba, do it. And then I made these rocks that look like real rocks. And then I made the camps, white camps. And then I made the mountain and the little pillar. And this is a bed that you can rest in. These are the 3 pillars that we can shoot these 5 little rocks, and then Allah will be happy with us. Number 1, we have to walk around the Kaaba 7 times, and that is called Tawaf. And the people who do this, we will call them pilgrims. This is a pilgrims. This is a pilgrims. These all people are pilgrims. Step number 2. These are 2 mountains. One of the name of them is Safa and this is Marwah. We have to run between these mountains 7 times. Number 3. This is Mina. We can rest a little bit after these 2 steps and stay overnight in this camp called Mina. And it's really nice here. 4. So this is the mountain. Its name is Arafaat. And I will tell you what can do on it. We can pray on it for the whole day. And we can collect pebbles on it. And also this is called the mountain of peace. 5. Muzdalifiah. This is the place that we can stay whole night and rest. Number 6. This is called Jamarat. People can take pebbles from here and throw it over to these pillars. And then when we throw it to the pillars, it means we are throwing it to Shaitan. Number 7. Here in the step number 7, we can sacrifice.